The iPhone event is anticipated to take place on September 9th, and the iPhone 17 series is only a few days away. Hopefully, Apple will send out formal invitations in a week. Things are becoming increasingly exciting as the actual launch event draws nearer. Let's talk about the most recent details on the impending iPhone 17. The revamp is finally taking place this year, according to numerous sources. Additionally, it has a rectangular camera bar on the rear. This new look is long overdue, given the iPhone 11 Pro and 11 Pro Max were the last major update. The rear will also have a brand new camera system, so this camera bump is more than simply an aesthetic adjustment. It will revolutionize the game thanks to the triple 48-megapixel camera on the back. The 48-megapixel variable periscope zoom lens camera, which was added this year, will directly compete with Samsung's Galaxy S25 zoom capabilities. The ICE universe claims that the iPhone 17 Pro Max this year will finally outperform the Galaxy S25 Ultra in terms of zooming. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is reported to include at least 8x optical zoom, though this has not been officially confirmed. This implies that rather than having a digital zoom, the 8x zoom will have optical quality. Additionally, a significant enhancement is being made to the front-facing camera. For films and selfies, the 24-megapixel camera will offer even more information. The new anti-reflective coating on the iPhone 17 series is the next most exciting development I'm anticipating. There is nothing gimmicky about this anti-reflective coating. This year, battery life will also significantly increase. With a 5,000 mAh battery, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will be comparable to its Android rivals. The new MagSafe charger will power this larger battery. Although the precise wattage is unknown, it is believed to be between 35 and 45 watts of wireless MagSafe charging. The iPhone 17 Pro variants this year also have somewhat different hues. According to rumors, the 17 Pro will be available in two new colors, orange and dark or deep blue. This orange might resemble the Apple Watch Ultra's previous design. With the iPhone 17 Pro Max model starting at $1,249, pricing will ultimately increase this year as well. In comparison to the prior year, that is a $50 increase. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.